Maureen, and today I'm going to be showing you just a few standing poses that you can do at any time to help stretch and strengthen your legs, hips, knees, and ankles. So if you're ready, let's get started. Come to a standing position and spread your feet at about as wide as your elbows. Lift your right toes up and then turn them so that they are perpendicular to your left toes, meaning you have your right heel and your left arch in alignment. And then inhale, bring your arms out, squeeze the muscles of your arms, bring your fingers together and look at your right hand. Reach over your right leg until you can't go any further, and then hinge down over the right leg and put your hand on your ankle. You're not putting weight on your ankle. You're just gently touching the ankle with your hand as you reach your left hand up and look up. Now squeeze up your kneecaps and straighten your legs and bring your head back, gently working your chin to your left shoulder. Let's take 5 slow deep breaths. So inhale into your nose and exhale through your nose. 1. Breathing. 2. 3. 4. And 5. When you take your next inhale, slowly stand up and turn your feet in the other direction, pointing your left toes away from your right foot, so your left heel and your right arch are in alignment. Go ahead and reach over your left leg until you can't go any further and bring your hand down to your ankle. Maybe you can put it on your foot. Right hand reaches straight up to the ceiling and look up. Bring your head back and chin towards the right shoulder, straightening your legs and squeezing your kneecaps. Breathing for 1. Breathing for 2. Strong legs. Press down into your toes. Breathing for 3. Breathing for 4. And 5. And then inhale, come on up. And exhale, place your hands on your waist. That was called Trikonasana or triangle pose. Let's move on to the next pose. Our next pose is going to be what we like to call a pyramid pose, and there's lots of different variations for this pose. I like to do this pose in a medium to wide stance. So turn to your left side with your left foot forward and your right foot turned in at about a 45-degree angle. Turn so that your hips are in one line and your shoulders are over your hips. Reach back, grab for your elbows. Inhale, look up. And then exhale, twist gently to your left as you fold over your left leg, keeping your legs straight. Look at your left big toe. Unless this is easy for you, then work your chin to your shin and look at your nose. Keep straightening the legs, squeezing the kneecaps, looking at the big toe or the nose, and hold for 5. Deep belly breathing, breathing for 4. Remember when you exhale, draw your navel in. 3. Breathing for 2. And 1. Lift your head. Slowly come up to a standing position. Keep the arms where they are and then turn around to the right side. Make sure your hips are even, shoulders over the hips, legs straight. Take an inhale and twist ever so slightly to your right as you fold over your right leg, working your belly to your thigh and your chin to your shin. And if your chin doesn't come close to the shin, look at your right big toe. Breathing for 1. Breathing for 2. Breathing for 3. Breathing for 4. And 5. Lift your head, inhale, come up. Turn back to the center and release your arms. All right, let's try one more pose. All right, this next pose is great for the hamstrings and the lower back. It's called wide foot stretch, Prasarita Padottanasana. Go ahead and take your feet wide, like as wide as like your wrists. If you reach your hands out and bring your hands to your waist. Inhale, look up. And exhale, fold forward and just bring your hands onto the floor. If this is difficult for you, widen your legs or go ahead and put your hands on a block. Inhale, lift the head, look forward like you're arching your back, and then exhale and fold and let your head hang. Hands on the block or on the mat. Lean forward a little bit into the toes, squeeze up the kneecaps, and breathe here for 1. Breathing for 2. Breathing for 3. Breathing for 4. And 5. Inhale, lift your head, look forward. Exhale, bring your hands to your waist as you slowly stand up. And those are 3 great poses for your leg strength and lower back strength. If you want to practice those, it also can work your obliques and your core. Great yoga poses for strengthening.